Hello everyone. I hope all of you are having a great time. I know it's a Monday and everyone is having Monday blues, but still we have to solve the Leetcode daily question, and the question that we have in today is word search. Leetcode 290. It's an easy level question on Leetcode and I totally feel the same. To our surprise, we have already solved this question in the month of September 2020. This was a time when we started a channel, and for those who have been associated with the channel since long must be aware of it. I just went through the video. I have clearly explained the entire concept behind solving the question, and I would urge you guys to have a look at it. Also, please increase the speed to 1.2x for better understanding. And apologies, there is slight noise in the video in the starting, so kindly please ignore it and do watch it till the end where I have coded it live for you guys. Over to you. I hope you really enjoy watching the other video. This brings me to the end of today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for viewing it. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for more updates from Coding Decoded. I'll see you tomorrow with another fresh question. But till then, goodbye.